Om Sri Satya Sai Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to meditation on Om, the primordial sound of the universe. Relax, gently close the eyes and observe the breathing. Your thoughts are calming down. Now slowly inhale, feeling Om in the inhalation. Slowly exhale, feeling Om in the exhalation. After exhalation, in the silence, feel the vibrations of Om in the body. Om is the divine power in and around us. Let's meditate on Om energy flowing in us. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. May we meditate on Om energy flowing through our blood circulation. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. Feel the presence of heart. From left side of the heart, oxygenated blood is flowing with Om energy to all the organs through our arteries. Let's meditate on the divine energy Om that is energizing the organs with the good supply of oxygen. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. Let's meditate on the divine Om energy that is collecting carbon dioxide rich blood from various organs into the veins, and this blood is reaching the right side of the heart with the help of the Om energy. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. From the right side of the heart, let's meditate the flow of carbon dioxide rich blood into the lungs. As we slowly inhale Om, as we slowly exhale Om, there is exchange of gases in the lungs. Carbon dioxide is exhaled with the Om energy. Oxygenated blood from the lungs is entering left side of the heart. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. From left side of the heart, oxygenated blood is flowing into the arteries and reaching every nook and corner of our body from head to the toe. Let us experience this Om energy flowing through the blood circulation throughout the body. Let's feel Om energy in the spinal cord, vertebrae, spinal nerves that are spread all over the body, brain, cranial nerves that are spread all over the face and the skull. If we are having any back pain issues, let's meditate. Om energy is healing the pain. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. Om energy is cleansing the mind. Unnecessary thoughts, stress, tension, emotions are getting erased from our subconscious mind. Our conscious mind is active to concentrate in this present moment. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. Let's feel the Om energy flowing through blood circulation in our hair, face muscles, sense organs. Imagine Om symbol in the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Om energy allows what is good for us. Let's feel the Om energy flowing through windpipe, that is connecting the nose with lungs, passing through the neck, food pipe, that is connecting mouth to the digestive system and which is passing through the neck, the muscles in the neck, glands, vocal cords in the neck, all are receiving the Om energy. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. As we meditate on Om energy flowing through body, Om energy is cleansing, energizing the organs to function in a healthy way. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. Let's feel Om energy in the shoulder blades, hands. Imagine Om symbol in the palms. Om energy will make us do good actions. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. Let's feel Om energy. Let's feel the Om energy flowing through blood circulation in our back muscles, kidneys, excretory system, chest muscles, abdominal muscles, bones, heart, lungs, stomach, liver, pancreas, gallbladder, spleen, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anal areas. Om energy is flowing through endocrine glands starting from pituitary and pineal glands in the brain, thyroid and parathyroid glands in the neck, and other glands in the chest and abdominal areas. Inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. Om energy is flowing into the lymphatic system, reproductive organs. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. Om energy digests the good we are taking through sense organs and provides us with physical health and mental health. Om energy is detoxifying our physical body and mental body. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. Feel the Om energy flowing through blood circulation through the legs. Slowly inhale Om. Slowly exhale Om. As we inhale and exhale Om, carbon dioxide that we are exhaling is received by the plants around our homes. After photosynthesis, they are releasing oxygen into the air for us. Our physical body and mental body are getting energized with the Om energy. Now let us do Nadi Shodhan Pranayama to activate our subtle body. Put the fingers near the nostrils for Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. As we do this pranayama, feel the chakras, Ida, Pingala, Sushumna nadis and all the nadi points in the body getting activated with Om energy. Close the left nostril Slowly inhale through the right nostril, feeling Om in the breath. Close both the nostrils, holding the breath with Om. Keep the right nostril closed and slowly exhale with Om through the left nostril. Now keeping the right nostril closed, inhale through the left nostril. Close both the nostrils, holding the breath with Om, and slowly exhale through the right nostril. Repeat 2 more rounds of Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. Now relax, keeping the hands on your lap. Om energy has activated the chakras from Mooladhara chakra up to the Sahasra chakra. From Sahasra chakra, we are getting connected to the cosmic Om energy. Deeply inhale Om. Let's feel the cosmic Om energy entering the body. Hold the breath. Feel the divine light glowing in this purified body. Slowly exhale. Cosmic Om energy and the divine light are filling the Panchabhuta Deha, our body that is made up of 5 elements. Om energy is flowing to the physical body, mental body, and subtle bodies in us. We are glowing like divine light. Slowly inhale Om. Hold the breath with Om. Slowly exhale Om. Let's feel Om energy flowing out of our bodies into our homes, neighbors, and the place we are staying. Om energy is raising the consciousness of the people around us. Now continue to inhale with Om. Hold the breath with Om. Feel the diaphragm expanding. Place the hand on your belly. Feel it is also expanding. Now slowly pull the belly inside. Feel the air moving upwards towards the brain. As we complete the exhalation, we are connecting to the cosmic Om. Om energy has taken us to the cosmic consciousness. We are on planet Earth as sparks of divinity. Continue to inhale deeply with Om. Hold the breath with Om. Feel the expansion of the belly. Pull it inside. Slowly pull the air up to the tip of the head and exhale. Om energy in us is merging with the cosmic Om energy. Let's meditate on this cosmic Om energy that is enveloping the planet Earth. We are all on the planet Earth as sparks of divinity. Energies of selfless prayers on earth, energies of positive meditators are merging in the cosmic Om energy. Water bodies, living beings, and other natural resources on planet Earth. Healthy ecosystem is prevailing on planet Earth. Inhale deeply with Om. Hold the breath with Om. Feel the expansion of the belly. Pull it slowly in. As you pull the air up to the tip of the head, slowly exhale. Om energy in us is merging with the cosmic Om energy. Let's meditate. Cosmic Om energy is reaching all the suffering people on planet Earth. Om energy is healing physically and mentally sick people. Inhale deeply with Om. Hold the breath with Om. Feel the expansion of the belly. Slowly pull it in. As you pull the air up to the tip of the head and exhale, may we experience Om energy in us merging with the cosmic Om energy. Let's meditate cosmic Om energy enveloping as a protective shield around all of us, our families, our relatives, friends, people who are rendering selfless service to the humanity, to the nature, differently abled people, trees, plants, animals, and all the defense forces personnel who are guarding our nations. Inhale deeply with Om. Hold the breath with Om. Feel the expansion of the belly. Slowly pull it in. Pull the air up to the tip of the head and slowly exhale. Om energy in us is merging with the cosmic Om energy. Let's meditate on cosmic Om energy, raising the consciousness of all the people on planet Earth towards divine path of Satya, that is truth, Dharma, right conduct, Shanti, peace, Prema, love, and Ahimsa, non-violence. Let's meditate that divine cosmic Om energy is raising the consciousness of adults, youth, children, and various professionals working in the fields of politics, education, medicine, business, commerce, defense forces. Om energy is raising the consciousness of engineers, lawyers, scientists, labor, social media personals, artists, farmers, spiritual aspirants, and various people in lead positions. Divine cosmic Om energy is blessing all the people with success, peace, and happiness who are following the divine path and message. Let's meditate. The astrological conditions are becoming favorable for all these people to enjoy success, peace, love, and happiness. Slowly come back to the body consciousness. Om energy is flowing in and around us. Samastaloka sukhinau bhavantu. Samastaloka sukhinau bhavantu. Samastaloka sukhinau bhavantu. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly open the eyes. Let us be in the divine consciousness throughout the day.